Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and today I'm going to unbox this microphone, and which is called a Rode Videomic Go. So guys, here are some Rode brandings shown, and it says that Videomic Go, which is a lightweight on camera microphone. You can use it with your camera or smartphone or any other thing. At one side, some other features are also written, like 2 years warranty, built-in suspension, no battery required, and lightweight. So now moving to the back side, and here are also some other informations in few different languages and a picture of DSLR camera. It comes with a beautiful transparent packaging. Okay, let's move to the unboxing. I have just pen with me now, so I will do it with a pen. I have cut down all the seals, and let's open it and see what's inside. So here we go. Boom, we have still another packaging, so that's look nice. The microphone is fully visible within this packaging. I have removed the upper cover, and now the microphone is in my hands, and it is very lightweight, so I can't even feel it. Here is a camera mounting part and a camera mounting screw in bottom, and here is some rod branding given on the foamic part as well. Here is another look to the mounting part of this microphone, and in this way you can just twist the screw so it can be mounted easily on any camera, any tripod. Moving to the next part, and we have a booklet or a paperwork, copywork, guide, whatever you can call. So good informations are given. If you want to read, you can read, and both the sides of this booklet is full and lot of informations are given, so I know these informations might be useful. So next we have a red mounting cable packed in a plastic wrapper with a 3.5 mm mounting jack on both the sides. This design can protect the cable from damaging and can reduce noise. In this way you can just plug the cable into the microphone. In this way the microphone looks after you plug in the cable. Let's put all other things aside and focus on other features. Here the first one is just easy plug and play. You can use it by just plugging in the cables, and the red frame of this microphone, which is very flexible, so that helps in reducing noise whenever the microphone is traveling over a bumpy field, and that really helps a lot. And the packaging of this microphone just highlight that this microphone can be used with DSLR cameras, but which is totally wrong. So you can just mount it on any tripod or anything. Let me show you how you can mount this microphone on a digital SLR camera. Here is a mounting area of a camera, and here's a mounting screw of a microphone. You can just pull it in a camera like this and twist the screw so it become tight. So that's it, and it's pretty easy. And the next step is just plug and play, and believe me, the camera looks great with this microphone, so the red color is very attractive. So here is your boy Wiki Creative, and here I am to test this microphone. I have mounted a camera on one tripod, and other tripod I have mounted this microphone. So the sound you are hearing is of this microphone, and what I'm going to do is I use a selfie stick which is about 1 meter or more. So I will disturb this microphone by hitting it, or if you hear any vibrations or any noise you can just tell me. So here you can see what I am doing. If the microphone is recording still good and noiseless sound, so that's good. It's now in front of you that what I have done. So that's it from microphone testing. See you next time. So I hope you have enjoyed my video and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. See you next time in new video, and till next time, peace out.